There you go. Good boy. Good boy.
I'm back in the harbour area to do some shopping for my final task. I knew this was coming.
Hi.
Valerie?
Yes, Ian.
Oh, there you are.
Hi.
So, I've been instructed, nervously, to come in and buy a wetsuit from you.
No problem.
Right. What do you advise?
How much do you feel the cold?
A lot.
A lot, so a warm one then.
Yeah.
If you feel the cold, I would suggest a full-length one.
Right.
Keep you as warm as you can so you can enjoy your time in the water.
Great. So you can help me with this?
Yes.
Good.
No problem.
I think maybe the word enjoy, maybe not the word I would use.
You
Suffer.
enjoy it. No, we'll make sure that you can enjoy it.
I do fear I'm going to end up looking like a big stuffed sausage in this.
No, of course you won't.
OK, I'll give it a go. Where do I go?
Right, I'll take you through to a changing room.
Right.
Right, I'll lay it out in front of you on the ground.
See you on the other side.
OK. Can you get the door?
Yeah, there you go. Sorted.
Cold water swimming is all the rage, and it's no different here in Wick. The North Bath here in the harbour had fallen into disrepair, but the community has renovated the pool and brought it back into use.
Like, I learned to swim here 62 years ago.
Did you?
And then last year I thought, I don't believe it, I'm going to get back into the North Baths. And it's just been brilliant.
Right, Ian, are you ready for your swim?
I am ready. I'm a bit concerned, a little bit worried. I've got that knot in my stomach like I'm about to go for some minor medical operation. But I'll be fine with you, won't I?
Absolutely.
OK then.
Time to take a dip with Major watching on. Lucky for some.
Okay, we're in.
Hey!
Yay!
I made it in.
Yeah.
My God, it's cold.
I'm in safe hands with Patty, and I've felt it everywhere I've been in Wick.
I think we went through it, it's a delayed reaction.
People come together in this town to make things happen.
We warmed it up for you.
It takes your breath away.
It is, yeah.
It's cold. It's cold. As it's a bit colder, I get it colder. You guys can swim. I'm doing stand about and shake. Why do you guys do this?
Well, I suppose just with COVID, it was something to do, and hearing so much about the cold water swimming and the effects of it, how it's so good for you, and as well it brought us all together. And once I started doing it, I just totally got a bug for it. And now I do it every day and have done for a year.
You don't do it in the winter though, do you?
Yeah, every day. In fact, we came in here probably January and we had to crack the ice. I mean, it was just a thin layer of ice, but for us that was a big deal, you know.
Well, once you're in, I've got to say, it's just as miserable as you expected it to be. It is bearable, to be fair. These guys are really brave. I don't know how they do this.
The ladies seem to be enjoying it.
They do enjoy it. Can I get back out again, though?